Hi guys, welcome to typing.com. I'm really happy that you came. This is going to be fantastic. You're going to develop a skill that will help you throughout your life. You're going to be able to type really quickly, really accurately. This is going to be great. I just want to show you a quick little video, cool little video here. Check it out.
I'm sure you've heard the phrase, practice makes perfect. Well, it's true. Committing to frequent practice is the best way to improve your typing skills. Here's a challenge. For the next 30 days, set aside 15 minutes each day to practice typing. You'll be surprised how much your typing speed and concentration improve from just 15 minutes of daily practice. We will be there every step of the way, providing you with an extensive library of exercises and games. Finally, when starting out, don't focus on your typing speed. That will improve in time. Instead, be mindful of your accuracy, posture, and finger placement. Are you up for the challenge?
Okay, guys, honestly, this is going to be good. So I'll track your progress. You can ask me questions, send me a note through the portal. Just click the link below, join your grade 7 or grade 8, and start practicing right away. You're going to start collecting badges and go up levels. It's great. One of the things that you just need to remember is when you are prompted to sign in with your RSGC Google account, okay? And that way I can recognize the name and I'll accept you as a student in the class. I'm really looking forward to seeing you there. Please practice. It's a fantastic skill. I'm in the class with you as well, so I'll compare my speed to yours, and I'm learning. It's a process for everybody here. So anyway, welcome and have fun.